Alright guys, for this video, we're gonna jump up in a Raptor 660 that ain't running and get it running right. We also have an issue with the parking brake delete that had this thing misfiring real bad. We got that fixed. We got a TRX 450R in this video. We're gonna do a carb swap on and jet job. Oh, shouts out Brady. You hit me up, check it out. TRX 450R, Yamaha Raptor 660. Let's get up in there and see what we get. Got these loaded up and heading back. Getting the truck filled up. So apparently the 660 needs the carbs gone through, which is always fun. And a battery and cleaned up. And this TRX needs the clutch kit installed. And he gave me some front tires for it. And let's see. Texas gas. 319. So for the TRX here, brand new carb, clutch kit, springs, awesome. Shoot, boy. Damn titled 250R, that's like new. Brand new elk rear shock, old son. Ready to ride? Fresh frame. All new rabbit wrench kit in there for it. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's a pre-TRX ATC 250R. I've got an entire Banshee, all fresh new powder. There's just dust on there, boys. So we're gonna kind of try and wrap our heads around this. See what all we got in here. A lot of stuff. Get up in there. Give me a like and subscribe. All Banshee stuff. A lot of it's brand new. This is what you want to watch for, guys. Come on. Nobody likes seeing that. Little Nicky cylinder, or what the fuck? Little Nicky cylinder. It's 04 TRX 450R. And then look at his older brother's got VD right here. Damn. 85 250R. Bet to get all this unloaded. See what we're dealing with. TRX 450 won't start. We're gonna go through the carburetor. If you guys can't get one to start, you wanna know if you need your carb cleaned, this will pretty much tell you a lot of the times. Get you some carb spray, remove your filter so you can really get up in there. And you just put the whole can right in there. No, you don't do that.
You knock the tip off.
You smack the tip off, shove it in. Then you can, like, dude, I'm just gonna run it through all the gears. Is that cool? Smack. Shove it in. We're out of here. All right, well, he said it needs a clutch. He gave me a clutch kit and a carburetor with it. I think if anything, we'll pull this carburetor, take the jets out for that pipe, put them in the new carburetor, and then send it. You ever ridden one of these? No. Dude. No traction. Yeah. Should be a no traction situation. We'll put hella air in these back tires. No traction. We just got to get them aired up. Old Yamaha Raptor 660, same story. Don't want to fire it up. We put a battery in it a minute ago. Well, it runs with the choke on. Yeah. No. We're going to clean the carb on it too because we know it's nasty. That's pretty much it. Damn, fellers. So Ryan's got the air box out, the seat off, he's pulling that carb out. We've got a new one over here, which we may use, it just depends. New clutch springs, or plates and fibers, springs. This big old mamma jamma. Oh, damn mama. Hopefully we can use it with that main jet, and then we'll cannibalize this carb for my carb kit. We always try and do it the same and not pull off the tank, and then we pull the tank. Yeah. Keep everything in place that we can. Or pull that front tire off.
Then you don't need to pull it.
Yeah, exactly. We've got this new carb, and this machine has an exhaust on it. So what we're gonna do is clean that jet out and use it on this carb. That way See how much bigger? Look at that size difference. The inside of that compared to the inside of that. You see the difference?
Yeah.
Like twice as big, bro.
Oh yeah.
Getting some fuel lines rocking. We're gonna see if we can get this thing fired up. And once we get it started and running, we're gonna drain the oil. Once it gets good and hot, let it warm up, and then we're gonna put in this new clutch too. We're gonna see about this clutch kit he got, because this cable doesn't have any play in it. It's like the clutch is already being pulled, so we'll see. He may have done that because every time you put it in gear, it jumps forward, or the cable is just completely out of adjustment and needs to be adjusted. Just trying to. No smoke. We're gonna go ahead and do the clutch on it just because it's so hard to pull anyways. And we're gonna try and ride the idle out of her. You know what I mean? We'll ride the idle out of it. We're pretty sure we don't even have to pull the whole clutch cover, just the inner cover. So we're gonna get this lever off. Hopefully just this cover has to come off. We drain the oil on this clutch side of yours. Swap this out real quick, clean it up a little bit on the inside. We've got this new Tusk Kaka clutch. We'll get that put right in now. All right, boys, figured her out. We're gonna show you what's going on, which was thought to be a carb issue, but we'll show you the real dealio. All right, dude, so parking brake delete. Check it. They did the delete on the caliper, look. Somebody just didn't block it off. So.
Oh yeah, there you go, look at their...
Oh, their rig. So basically what would happen here, it would start up, throttle it, that's not a carb issue, so you go to the little parking brake line, give it a snip with some dikes. Fixed it. Getting this TRX done. We got another TRX we're knocking out too. Kyle Lanning. Ooh, that TRX 250 should be done today. I got the oh well, I'm waiting on the head O-rings, but I got the piston, I got the rings, and the clutch piece. So, shoot, fingers crossed. So we got Kyle Lanning's motor done. We're just waiting on some O-rings for the head. It's all freshly rebuilt. Man, if you want to send me your motor, I got room for one motor right there with your name on it. Just hit me up and we'll get her done. Send me the motor, we'll rebuild it, make a video. Letting that warm up a little. Barking down the road. Chugged it. Hit them donuts over there, dog. This is my purdy grass. Be sure and get up in there, like and subscribe, share to your friends. Check this out, we got another video coming up. My dude Kyle Lanning's 250R motor almost done. We're just waiting on O-rings. And then I gotta rebuild my 250R motor here in a little bit. Cause she blown too, I guess. So guys, that Raptor's available. TRX 450 still available. It's been busy, guys. So YouTube sometimes has to take the back seat to work. And, you know, I'm getting you guys videos for sure. So I've almost got Kyle Lanning's motor done. Waiting on some O-rings for the head. And an intake boot. Might get to work on this Banshee project soon if it doesn't sell. But I've ordered the parts for this Tri-Z rebuild today. Last night. The sun ain't even up, boys. It's 5:45. This 250R, I tore down the motor today. Whew. Come on, dudes. And we're gonna need a crank. So she's a little sticky. I mean, it's got some, I think the main bearing's coming apart. But we'll have another ESR TRX done here in a little while. And lots of other videos. I just woke up. I had some stuff to do, but lots of other videos coming. The mini trucks took me all summer, guys. The mini trucks took over a lot this summer. We probably did 25 or 30 of them, so I would get in here, start working on them. They're so dirty and stuff, and you're all up in there, and hands are too greasy to even grab a phone or back to ATVs. And guess what? It's two-stroke project and time season. That's what the weather is right now. It's 55, 60 degrees outside. It's time to rebuild some two-stroke motors. You guys hit me up. Appreciate you.